Take your CJ7 all the way to 11. Jeepin' with cool guy.
Welcome back. So, doing a big old Jeep renovation, huh? Well, we're going to start with probably the most important part of all of it, and as you can tell, I haven't done it yet, so okay then. Disconnect the battery. Might be a smart move. As you're going through renovating this Jeep, strangely enough, it seems like everything on this vehicle is a 1/2 inch. So if you have a 1/2 inch crescent wrench, wrench socket, you're probably going to need a few of them because you're going to wear them out. Yes, I could probably use a socket on this thing, but these cable things are so worn that I can't even get a socket head in there anymore. It's kind of annoying. Make sure that you don't connect these two with the wrench. Might be kind of a bad experience. Negative, and then positive. Take off the bracket. Again, 1/2 inch. Bracket and battery. Battery. Woo. Put that away for safekeeping in a warm, dry environment. Okay, battery's out. Alright, let's take off the door strikers. This ought to be pretty mindless. T20 torque head. Should be 4 little screws that go with it. That's it for that. That's a pretty simple mechanism. So you got these actually should be rivets, so I'm going to have to go back and replace those. And then you got your inner piece, you got your main striker bolt, which is nutted in there. That looks like a pretty easy fix. Let's do the tire carrier bumper. So essentially, it has this hole in the end of it here, and a lot of people like to stick rubber bumpers in here, but this is actually the way that it was originally designed. I don't know what the circle is for, but there's no bumper that you're supposed to actually put in here. The tire just bounces against this. This is pretty much mindless. Take out the 4 bolts. Whew, man, I'm worn out. I think I need a nap. Getting old. Tire bumper, 4 bolts. Tag and bag.